Here's a 2015 Dodge Dart. This Dart is engineered with passion, precision, and the kind of performance that'll kick in the adrenaline. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, power windows, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. New car test drive reports a little road noise finds its way through the suspension depending on pavement composition, but wind noise is nil thanks to the aero refinements. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.